Hey, this is Majin Fighter here. I went to see the fireworks, and I'm doing a podcast, honey. So yeah, I happy 4th of July, I guess, and I might keep training, lift the weights, get myself ready for to go to boxing gym, stuff like that. I'll just keep hopping on boxing gyms because it costs too much money. Just go and try and find a cheap one. Spend your money wisely, you know what I mean? Uh, see, it's going. I hope it gets better in life. I hope it gets better. So yeah, I'm trying. I'm smoking my cigar yesterday. I didn't finish it yet, but my wife threw it away in the trash by accident. It was fine.
Who are you talking to?
Doing a podcast. So that was my day today. So I was walking with my family, just watching fireworks. My wife, my son, they were happy about it. All right. Happy 4th of July, right? If I'm saying it correctly. Later.